وہ کہاں گئی ہے؟ Where has she gone? Where has she gone? اب کس کی باری ہے؟ Whose turn is now? Whose turn is now? میں ایک بار وہاں گیا تھا. I went there once. I went there once. یہ خوشی کے آنسو ہیں. These are tears of joy. These are tears of joy. وہ اس کا مستحق نہیں ہے. He doesn't deserve it. He doesn't deserve it. میں آج ادا کروں گا. I will pay today. I will pay today. میں انکار نہیں کر رہا ہوں. I am not refusing. I am not refusing. کیا وجہ ہے؟ What is the reason? What is the reason? تم کیسے جانتے ہو؟ How do you know? How do you know? یہ رہا آپ کا پیسہ. Here is your money. Here is your money. تم یہاں کیسے آئے؟ What brings you here? What brings you here? اس نے تم سے کیا کہا؟ What did he say to you? What did he say to you? مجھے مالی مسائل ہیں. I have financial problems. I have financial problems. میں اس کے بارے میں سوچوں گا. I will think about it. I will think about it. برائے کرم بولنے سے پہلے سوچ لیں. Please think before you speak. Please think before you speak. جہاں چاہو رکھ لو. Keep it wherever you want. Keep it wherever you want. ساری دنیا اسے جانتی ہے. The entire world knows him. The entire world knows him. کیا اس سے کوئی فرق پڑتا ہے؟ Does it make any difference? Does it make any difference? کیا تم ابھی تک تیار نہیں ہوئے؟ Are not you ready yet? Are not you ready yet? میں اس کے بارے میں کچھ نہیں جانتا. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about it. میرا کام صرف آپ کو بتانا تھا. My job was just to tell you. My job was just to tell you. تم نے اس سے معافی کیوں نہیں مانگی؟ Why did not you apologize to her? Why did not you apologize to her? کیا میں آپ کا نام جان سکتا ہوں؟ May I know your name? May I know your name? ابھی بھی زیادہ دیر نہیں ہوئی. It is still not too late. It is still not too late. وہ اپنی عادت سے مجبور ہے. He is compelled by his habit. He is compelled by his habit.